What's gonna be Chris? We're gonna do this.
Imagine traveling the world.
Alright, let's get it. Alright, let's roll. What's this place? So you travel? Alright, let's do this, guys. Alright, I got a case, guys. Doody doody doo. Going to the airport. Alright, guys, we're gonna go to the Seattle airport. You know that airport that's nearby Seattle. Alright, let's do this. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Location of the flight. Alright, let's go check in, guys. Right here. Oh, you're pretty, Psycho Blade. Alright, sis. Alright, welcome to see Airlines. How may I help you? Gate A. I like the A. So what? I'm going in. Barge in. Wait, what? Yeah, forget it. No, guys, like detector. Like if you carry any metal objects, it'll beep. Like just like you know, like 'cause you know 9/11, like back that time. I don't know why they did that. I mean, they should put that, but they didn't put it. But yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I love the burger. Gate A. B. Here it is. Alright, we're in. What? That's just bullcrap. Hold on, guys. The thing's lagging. We gotta change the game quality. There you go. There you go. That won't lag me up. Man, that lag though. Alright, so... Oh gosh. Still lagging a little. I don't know why it's still lagging though. You know, guys, like sometimes when just like 2 billion buildings lag. Some people don't. I don't know. I don't know what's their deal anyways, but... What's this? God, this is so small. This is a bit small, guys. Italy. Italy. Hey, sorry, I don't know how to speak alright, guys. Alright, going back to the airport. Oh, that's crazy. Alright, I'm out. Sometimes I hate when there's too many bricks, guys. You know what? I got an idea. Ticket A and then Alpine. Let's go back again. Got it! Thanks, mate. Well, anyways, I got it. Anyways, I found it, guys. So I already find it. Alright. Peace out, bye.